Hey guys, Trent here coming at you with another video. So we got more Masters of the Universe Origins cartoon collection. So we got a big one now. We got our first vehicle. Let's take a look at the cartoon collection collector. So welcome into my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great toy videos, 80s, 90s nostalgic videos, and things of that nature. Yeah, I got a really awesome vehicle here, a nice box, so we'll take a look at all that. And this thing is supposed to be able to fit 3 figures, so we'll see how. It's probably going to be a pretty big one. So looks cool, and it's neat that we're getting a lot of different pieces for the cartoon collection. You know, we just recently opened the Cringer and Prince Adam, so that was really nice. And so we got a lot of good core figures, and then now the first vehicle. So let's take a look at this toy. Alright, here we go. Masters of the Universe Origins cartoon collection. We got the He-Man and the Masters of the Universe cartoon collector, Evil Airship of Skeletor. So the bad guys are going to be the first ones to get a vehicle here. So I don't know, we'll see if any other kind of stuff comes out, like I don't know, maybe like a cartoon collection version of Battle Cat or Panther or anything like that. That would be interesting. So we got some cool box artwork here. There's the collector with Skeletor and Webster. We can see inside. They got He-Man in the grip, and then there's some airships flying overhead, some sky sleds, and Tila and the Talon Fighter. Pretty cool. We got Battle Cat and Man at Arms down there. Really neat. Oh, Castle Grayskull in the background as well. And then one side of the box here, we got She-Ra actually flying with Swift. Is that Swift Wind? Wow, that'd be interesting. So there's something cool. Although I've not gotten into collecting She-Ra, even vintage. I just decided not to go for that. There's those little guys again. That was same as on the Cringer package. The top of the box does have some showing off the actual real vehicle. Yeah, 3 figures in there. Looks pretty cool. Alright, then we got the back, which is an actual just displaying of figures. Looks like they kind of like imposed the picture of those two in there, though. We got, yeah, there's the Snake Mountain in the background. Pretty cool. We got all the cartoon collection figures. I have all these except for Webster and Evil Lyn. They just... Big Bad Toy Store just notified that they are going to be coming in soon. So, oh, those two up here too, Spikor and Clawful as well. Looks pretty awesome. Well, this looks like a really cool set. So, look forward to checking out the collector. I don't know if maybe this is the first time we've ever had this vehicle. So, if that's the case, that's neat. So, well, we'll check it out and let's get it out and see what it's all about. Okay, yeah, if you open the box and slide it out, it's... Wow, man, this thing is big. So yeah, it's unassembled, as in the tail fin's got to be assembled. I think would be probably the only thing. So I'm gonna cut all this stuff out. Not really much to show of an unboxing here, so I'll get it out and then we'll take a look. Alright, here we go. Here's the collector out of the package, and yeah, it is quite a big vehicle. Now I think about it, that might be one of the biggest Masters of the Universe vehicles, really, when you think about it. What would be bigger than that? I mean, even the Blaster Hawk, I mean, it's taller, but I mean, this thing is pretty massive. Let's see, here's the Bashosaurus. I mean, this thing is a massive vehicle made to hold 3 figures, kind of like halfway laying down. So I guess Spidor with its big legs is pretty big, but so it comes with these 2 fins unassembled. So we got, it's gonna go in like that. So we'll check that out. Pop them in. Oh yeah, they snap in. Oh yeah, that's nice. Snaps in nice. Very cool. And then the only other accessories they come with is some blast effects. And the only other thing you have to assemble if you want to. You can put the blast effects in there. So, but before that, we'll take a look at. Well, let's take a look at all the outside. So there it is from the side. That looks really cool. It's like a cool skull of a vehicle. The only thing about it is displaying figures in it is not going to be like the best. If you want to, you'd have to have it open. But there it is, open. And man, look at the seating in there. The room in there is pretty good. So you got the gold throne for Skeletor and 2 more for the minions there. Looks like it's perfect for throwing Skeletor and then Beastman and Trapjaw in there. I would like to leave Merman out because I like Merman holding his little pearl thing. I don't know what they're supposed to do with this though. I don't think they would be able to reach those levers. But this one is obviously set up to where a seated passenger can be the driver. And then I don't know if this is like a little weapons storage thing maybe. But very cool. Very interesting. So we've got the front pinchers that they can extend out. That's a pretty neat little effect. And I suppose one of those is just the right size to where you could squeeze a torso of a figure in there if you wanted to. But I'm more interested in the blast effects actually. So we'll put those in there. Oh yeah, those plug in nice. It looks pretty cool. So there we got some cool blast effects. And you know what? Looks like they did put a spot on the bottom for a stand, but it did not include one. What a bummer that is. I don't know why that's a missed opportunity. This thing would be nice to be able to have it on a stand where you could have figures under it, you know, for display purposes. Alright, I got some figures in there at the detriment of my stuff falling over, my figures over here, my cartoon collection ones. Poor Tila. But yeah, these 3 look pretty good. Got Skeletor back there, and I plugged in the Havoc staff plugs into that little as a weapons holder. And then we got Trapjaw, and they can kind of just lay down in there okay like that. I still just don't understand what that's supposed to be for, but if I wanted to get him to hold that, you have to work pretty hard, so I think he's okay like that. But that looks really cool. Yeah, but you can see with the top down, for display reasons, it's really not that great. So, not the best vehicle for displaying. I guess you'll have to, if you want to display figures in it, you have to have it open like this. So, that's interesting. Don't know what to do. Well, that's going to do it for checking out the collector. It's really neat. I don't think it's a must-have. It just depends on how much you're into the cartoon collection, how much space you have. You know, it's the design. I'd say it's not that. Again, it's not the best for displaying figures in because you kind of want to see the collector like this. You know, so having figures in it, you know, you're just not going to see those figures. So yeah, it's really cool. I'm just getting everything Origins, of course, so I'm going to get it. But you know, it definitely those figures do look good in there. So if you have a cool way to display it like that, then that's cool. My main gripe is that it had a slot on the bottom for a stand, and it didn't include a stand. I really think that's a missed opportunity. I don't think does it really cost that much more to include a stand. I think that's a bummer. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed checking out the collector. It's a cool, interesting vehicle. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.